The happy skeletons are a typical image of Mexico's Day of the Dead. Life-size calaveras can be found everywhere, even on sidewalks. The funny and friendly calaveras represent the playfulness of the dead as they mimic the living. This papier-mâché skeleton was created by renowned Mexican folk artist Felipe Linares. Smaller calaveras help decorate graves along with marigolds, the flower of the dead. Dia de los Muertos is celebrated in many U.S. cities with a large Mexican-American population. In the Mexican Fine Arts Center Museum in Chicago, people bring small gifts to honor departed relatives. The altar, or ofrenda, is decorated with a photograph of the deceased, candles, and flowers. The creation of papel picado banners to decorate the streets and plazas in Mexico has long been a folk tradition. Papel picado is usually cut with sharp chisels from a stack of as many as 100 layers of colored tissue paper. On the Day of the Dead, papel picado can be seen decorating the altars that honor the deceased. Papel picado also decorates streets during Day of the Dead parades. The Mayas in Guatemala spend the Day of the Dead laughing and flying kites. According to tradition, flying kites in the cemetery allows them to communicate with the dead. The small town of Santiago Zacatepeques is famous for its Day of the Dead kite contest. It can take 35 people and 3 months to construct a giant barrilete out of bamboo canes and tissue paper. In Ecuador, guaguas de pan, or bread babies, are the typical food of the Day of the Dead. To make guaguas de pan, women first make balls of dough the size of the desired bread figure. In indigenous communities, families place guaguas de pan and other foods on top of the graves to share with the deceased. The guaguas de pan are eaten with traditional colada morada, a drink made with purple corn, fruits, sugar, and spices.